4,000,9,000 or 18,000 BTU per hour. Heats up to 450 square feet. High-med low heat settings, automatic low oxygen shutoff system (ODS), and accidental tip-over safety shutoff. The use of UN-authorized accessories/attachments with this heater are expressly prohibited, may cause serious injury, and will void the. This unit no longer comes with an included fan assembly or switch. Heavy-duty safety wire guard for added tile protection and rugged durability while traveling, low, medium-high heat. Settings: dual ceramic burner tiles with shock-absorbing insulation. Cold campsites and frozen lakes call for the warmth of a Big Buddy heater. For your next excursion, the Big Buddy will keep you comfortable with up to 18,000 BTU of heat. Swivel regulators make for easy setup. Just screw on two 1-pound propane cylinders or connect to a 20-pound tank using Buddy accessories. The 450 square feet of coverage makes any ice shanty a sauna and any deck a sunroom. With the heater's life safety system, you won't sweat too much, knowing the oxygen depletion sensor, thermal shutdown system, and tip-over switch are keeping you safe. For all of your indoor and outdoor adventures, the Big Buddy is there for you. Customer ratings by feature: giftable, 4.6 star, easy to use, 4.4 star, portability, 4.4 star, comfort, 4.4 star.